some motherfucking design on right now.
Sige po, okay lang. Pakita nyo na lang po pagkapasok niyo po.
Napakainit, grabe. Okay po.
Ano po lang?
Ito.
Tamo, tamo kayo.
Madami naman eh. Ay, ang dami rin ano, tao.
Ay, sabi ko.
Tsaka ang kuha niya by table.
Dito lang.
Bilang naman nila yan, 1-1.
Picture. 1, 2.
Hindi ba pwede yung dalawang bahay? Ayan, matawagan mo lang. Lupat. Kasi sa akin, ang kasama ko. Sinabi lang ko.
Together with your loving wife and our chief RSLs.
Ay ka na naman. Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Ha? Gusto mo ba?
Tigas daw. Tigas daw, sabi ni Jack. Tigas.
continuous ones. Our 41st couple, Patrolman Chris Gerald Antolino and Mrs. Sarah May Nacario Antolino. Our 42nd couple, Patrolman Lester John Umamo and Mrs. Bernadette Nova Umamo. 43rd couple, Patrolman John Kevin Marcy and Mrs. Rebecca Constantine. Our 44th couple, Patrolman John Paul Curiel and Patrolwoman Rachel Las Santos Curiel. 45th couple, Patrolman Howard A. Valle and Mrs. Audrey Ellen Macabili Valle.
Lahat ba?
I request the newly with couples and those
Couples
in
lang.
the hall is your arms must be
Kurang mo, Bet.
Kumaba.
Means everyone, as we come together in this moment of unity and celebration, it is with hearts full of joy to honor the love and commitment shared by those couples in today's occasion. To love, commitment, and to the beautiful journey of marriage. Cheers!
Yay!
Thank you very much. And now,
Lovely couples, are you now ready for your cake? At dito na po tayo magkakasubukan sa subuan. Alright, please stand up. We now come to the ceremonial slicing of the cake. This slicing of the cake symbolizes the commitment to share whatever path life is to be faced by the couple. Sharing the bride. Si bride muna ang susubukan. After which, the groom. Bride, subukan. Groom, subukan si bride. Thereafter, bride, subukan si groom. Taste the cake very well. What is the taste of the cake? Sweet. Sweet. Your cake is sweet. Cake symbolizes sweetness and loving each other. Therefore, that is the reason why the cake is sweet. Thank you.
thank you, sir. Is the cake sweet? Okay. And now, for the first kiss of our newlyweds. Again, first kiss of our newlyweds. May we call on our chief of regional staff, please bring in your general.
First kiss as ano? As couple, officially.
Okay, I would like to request everybody to please take seats. Hold hands, two hands, as if we don't let go with each other. Okay? Then, look to each other's eyes. To my intimacy with feeling. Pag hindi nakatingin, ibig sabihin niya na walang intimacy yan. Ayan.
With feelings daw ah.
So, as you exchange your first kiss, actually this is not the first kiss, setting up the Vilasibar, these are your first kiss, but rather it is your first long kiss, a 53 seconds kiss. Okay? So, Will it be a sign of your solemn vows, a symbol of love? Each other, do not detach your lips. Audience, please help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, and 53.
Okay, congratulations to our 53 newlyweds. Thank you, sir. We shall now come to the releasing of the drums.
Cantates Junior Sir. The tradition of releasing of the two doves symbolizes the wedding couples to start a new journey together. Like the pair of doves, whatever happens, they will always try to seek the comfort of each other and their home together. This is so-called body, and now your spouse. The count is 1, 2, and 3. Go!
Thank you, sir. And also thank you to our ushers and usherettes.